How to make $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now in this video I'm giving you $2,000 cash for free. Now why I'm saying this is because lots of affiliates, no gurus, actually no super affiliates or gurus are going to ever share this with you for free. They're going to charge you $3,000 to $10,000. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Now, as you can see over here, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. Okay, so you see, I'm sharing with you what lifestyle you can live when you do affiliate marketing with Clickbank or MaxWeb with paid traffic profitably. Okay, you see, I went to Finland, Sweden, all these Santa Claus crazy spaces. You see, I see Aurora over here. You see North Light in Scandinavia. I went all around Europe, as you can see over here, right? Bali, everywhere, Jordan, Israel, Australia, Sydney, you name it, okay? I've been. Now, I'm not boasting. I'm showing you what is possible. Now, let's go straight into how to do this, okay? So you want to make the money? Great. Now, let's start from here. What is my strategy with Facebook ads, or in this case, Google pay-per-click ads, is I'm testing lots of different data, lots of different things. You see, this is my strategy. I have 6 different ad angles, okay? 6 different ad angles. And for each of those ad angles, I have 1 landing page, 6 landing pages. Now, the beauty of this is that no one can copy and paste. So even though you're using ad spy tools, you will never find me. You will never find my private networks, my lead gen, my solar panel, my casino, gambling offers, Nutra, dating. You will never find me. Why? Because I'm smart enough to know that lots of affiliates using ad spy tools and trying to rip and run. Okay, so you cannot do this to me. But I'm trying to share this with my best students. Okay, this is my strategy. Okay, now the next thing is I'm using quiz funnels. Now, scalable quiz funnels. The meaning of that is I'm using, you see, most of gurus on Clickbank selling you commission courses, profit courses, whatever, singularity courses, are actually not sharing this with you. The straight secret actually works, which is when you set up a quiz funnel, you need to have a function behind the quiz, okay? Because otherwise, what's going to happen, my friend? Listen to me closely. Please listen to me, okay? I'm teaching you for free, okay? At least give me 5 minutes to explain to you what is happening. When you buy a course for $3,000 on Clickbank from some millionaire guru teaching you about quiz funnels with Facebook ads or YouTube ads, whatever, they are not sharing the main secret, which is quiz funnels can make money or break money. Why? What do I mean by that? Okay? So the first thing is you need to have functional questions. What do I mean by that? You see, if you just ask people, how old are you? Are you female? Are you male? Yes, those are questions. Of course, you can put them into the quiz. And 99% of the time you see them on ads, on Facebook ads or YouTube ads, but they don't have any intent behind it. You see, my friend, listen to me closely. They don't push person from cold traffic, from non-buyer to buyer. They don't convert them to the buyer. Okay? You see what I mean? There is no function. Those quizzes only waste your time and money. Alright? You can try. If you don't believe me, try by yourself. So what I'm doing, what I'm showing and teaching my clients one-on-one, we work together over Zoom calls, okay, and phone calls, is when we set up Google ad campaign, we know we want to have Google ads. Why? Because of the buyer's intent. Okay? The most powerful word is buyer intent. People go on Google, or on Google in this case, to look for solutions to their pains and problems, okay? They already have a problem. They're already in the buyer awareness state. They just want to buy now the product. They are the instant buyers, okay? So that's why it's very important to understand how to set up the quiz funnels, because it moves person from non-buyer to buyer, okay? With functional questions, okay? Another thing what I have to understand, okay, is how I do this. For example, I have ad 1. So my Google ad 1 or Facebook ad 1. I have landing page 1 and I have a cohesive headline. I have sub headline, call to action, and lead on a VSL, etc. Right? Now imagine I set up 15 to 20 of those. You can do it many different ways, as you can see over here, right? And I'm personally doing this for you when we work together one-on-one. Now, another thing is you have to understand there are core emotions to each and every market. For example, in female dating space, it's control, right? They just want control. Why men pull away? Why he doesn't love me? Okay? Why he cheat on me? In men's dating, it's hope, right? How to text a girl, how to get a girlfriend, right? You understand what I mean, right? In cryptocurrency, right? Crypto, Bitcoin, it's certainty. People want to be certain. They want to know, okay, this coin gonna make me millionaire. This coin gonna make me rich. The next investment is going to certainly make me rich. Okay, so the core emotion is certainty. Why I'm saying this is because lots of affiliates are not understanding this. And that's why their landing page is crap. It sucks and it doesn't convert. And it's not your fault, I know. Because I used to be there. I know how it feels. I felt the same way because I bought I'm sorry for my words, but very expensive courses that were shit, and I couldn't make it. I couldn't make money back. Okay, so understand where you are at right now, but you have a choice. Do you want to make a decision to become super affiliate today, or do you want to be broke today and don't make any money and do your 9 to 5 or whatever you're doing? Okay, only two choices, left or right. And for example, in weight loss, it's shame, right? It's shame. The core emotion is shame. Would you believe it? Now, why I'm telling you this? It's a very short video, but I'm trying to give you the strategy how to think. Okay? Yes, it's step by step, but also I'm teaching you how to think, how to use your brain to grow. Once you start with affiliate marketing, many doors will open for you. Many different niches, many relationships, many partnerships. I'm not your guru. Okay, I'm not your guru. Yes, I can help you step by step. I can help you one-on-one, but I'm not a guru, all right? I'm always a student. I'm keep learning, even though I make a lot of money. I travel all around the world, yet still I become a student every single day. Because I know that long-term relationships with human beings, even though this is affiliate marketing, but relationships make dream work, okay? Long-term, real human being relationships. That's what matters. And you need to have someone who will help you personally, one-on-one, step by step to success, okay? So as you're watching this video right now, you can reach out on my Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, right? So connect with me one-on-one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below, ask me any questions you want, but most importantly, do not reach out to me if you're not serious. If you don't care about your future, about your family, about your wife, about your spouse, about your kids, do not reach out to me, okay? I'm not trying to waste your time, and I hope you don't want to waste mine either, all right? But if you are serious, and I know you are because you are still watching this video, then let me know. Let's make something happen. And if you're asking me how much money do I have to invest to make these campaigns profitable, I would say minimum 1,000 US dollars to 5,000 or even more, 5,000 US dollars, okay? So 1,000 to 5,000 in between, all right? That's the sweet spot for you. If you really, ask yourself, imagine, like if you were to, how would it feel like if you just wake up in the morning and see you make another $1,000 on Clickbank? I know maybe this is a dream for you right now, but lots of people are doing it, myself and others, okay? After COVID, people mentality changed, okay? People started to buy online more. E-commerce went up. Just Google it, don't have to believe me. You can also check my case studies and testimonials from my clients and students, how we are scaling profitable CPA campaigns, not only on Clickbank. There are hundreds of private networks that you will never get the access of. And it's a shame you can make $10,000 per month. It's a shame, if you're watching this video, it's a shame you can't make $10,000 per month when people are making millions per month or per year, okay? And it's not your fault. Why? Because I know lots of people buy courses, they don't make results, and then they quit. They give up, okay? But I know that some of you watching this video, if you're watching this video right now, you are the person who are not quitter, who is not excuse maker, and who is a risk taker, and wants to get long-term sustainable passive income with affiliate marketing. Again, if you are this person, let me know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on the other side of success.